Hi and welcome to Al's Record Room. I'd like to show you my AC/DC picture cover 45 of Rock and Roll Ain't Noise Pollution from 1980. And one last look at AC/DC's Rock and Roll Ain't Noise Pollution picture cover from 1980, the front. Now of course, before we go, one last look at the back and of course the songs list. And this video has proudly been sponsored by me, Al, and Al's Record Room. Of course that's me. And that's over and out from me, and thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos of course as well. And I do have plenty more records to share with you, and I'm telling you I've absolutely got thousands of them. I've lost count. So that's over and out from me, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and that's proudly sponsored by me, Al's Record Room.